Hey guys, it's Brittany, and today I am going to show you how I install my U-part wig. I will be installing a wig from LuvMe Hair, and I'm really excited. I recently did an unboxing video and I was very impressed with the quality and all of the other things that came with my wig. So today I'm going to show you how I install it. It's super quick, super easy, and let's get started. This is the wig that I'll be installing, and it's very soft. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm really excited to try it out. It's constructed very well, so let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I have my hair parted, and this is for the U part. And I have some edges out on this side and this side, and the rest of my hair is braided. These are old braids from when I just had clip-ins, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick how easy it is to install a U-part wig. So basically, there's the 3 clips around the top and the 1 clip at the bottom. I've opened up each of those clips. And I'm just going to clip in each clip around my U, as you can see. I'm going to clip those into place. And then I'm going to do the final clip at the base of my hair. And that's it, it's installed. Okay, so now that I have the U-part wig in place, I am going to flat iron my hair. I haven't flat ironed my hair in at least over a year or 2, but I'm going to do it today. Usually I would just kind of blow dry it and leave it as is or pin it back, and it blends pretty well. But today I wanted to blow dry it to see what it would look like. But here we go. Okay, so there you have it, the final look. Tell me guys, what do you think? I feel like it looks super natural. I don't like getting my hair bone straight, so I only do one pass whenever I flat iron my hair. And of course, you guys didn't see me add the heat protectant, but I always use a heat protectant on my hair because again, I don't want heat damage. I'm 100% natural, so I try to protect my hair at all costs, which is why I usually don't flat iron it at all. But I wanted to flat iron it today just to see what it would look like, and I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks natural. The wig is not meant to be bone straight, so it matches my hair perfectly. Like I said, I wasn't trying to get my hair bone straight. I just wanted it to, you know, to blend, and I think it looks phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think. And let's see if I can get the bag. But I like it. It's super easy, it's super quick. I don't have to straighten it. A lot of times what I'll do when I don't want to put heat on it, but I want to wear this, is I will maybe pick up most of my hair and put it in a cute ponytail or a bun and leave the rest down. I may braid it and just let it hang. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. Pin it back so that your hair is just kind of pinned out of the way. But all of those looks are super cute and they're super easy, and this U-part wig goes on like this. So overall, I love the wig. It blends perfectly. It's my hair color. I like that it's not bone straight because I don't get my hair bone straight purposely. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, if you love my channel, my videos, the content that I provide to you, please subscribe and make sure to hit that notification button as well to be notified when I upload new videos. Otherwise, love you guys. Bye.